Welcome to 3503 Golf Club Drive in the esteemed Clear Creek Tahoe community. This beautiful 2.3 acre parcel behind me offers both mountain and Jacks Valley views depending on where you are on site. This build site sits on the quiet street of Golf Club Drive near the edge of the Clear Creek community and comes with two-dimensional drawing plans completed by Hills Construction for a custom home over 6,300 square feet. Here are our top 5 favorite features Homesite 27 has to offer that set it apart from the rest. Number 1, this property sits atop a seasonal stream bed that runs along the property line. Number 2, this site borders a permanent conservation land area providing the utmost privacy. Number 3, this lot is the second largest parcel currently on the market to date at 2.3 acres. Number 4, this lot is a short and easy walk up Golf Club Drive to the clubhouse and golf pro shop. And number 5, depending on which orientation you prefer, you can build your home around your chosen view. Jacks Valley or the large outcropping rock mountains, the choice is yours. Living within the Clear Creek gates is all about lifestyle and family-friendly amenities. The newly constructed clubhouse, the nationally acclaimed Core and Crenshaw Golf Course, the Twin Pines Lake and Ski House on the shore of Lake Tahoe, and the Summit Camp with pool, bocce ball, fire pits, games for kids of all ages, all of this and more make Clear Creek the top choice for your Tahoe adventures. For more information on everything these state-of-the-art amenities have to offer, visit clearcreektahoe.com. We encourage you to reach out for a private site tour and see all that this mountain site has to offer. Welcome to the good life. We're glad that you're here.